Alright, I'm going to give a demonstration of one of iTelligence's custom formulas here. This would be used for when you're loading data and you have to use a conversion file. Sometimes if your data is not reconciling, it's a little bit difficult to match what data is coming in versus what you're seeing. And this is because a conversion file has different wildcard characteristics. So you'll see here I've got sample data along with a conversion file next to it. And if I was to just use, first guess to make this match up with what's in my system, I might use VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP with this member here into this range over here. Let's do the whole columns. Second column over, standard stuff. Well, that works great. The account is 11200. But if we send this down, we run into errors because as this conversion file has, like many others, there are some wildcards in it. So in other words, A1011, anything else should go to this account. To get around that, we've developed a simple custom function called the iConVLookup, iConVLookup. And we look up this member here. We actually have a built in here, so you look up the dimension member. In this case, it'd be cell A2. And we have the two columns to go scan. And hit OK. We get our value. We'll drag this formula down as well. And sure enough, we have values for starred wildcard members that are correct.